It's Rebecca with Rain Nail Studio, and today's video is a pedicure. I will be doing a step-by-step for you guys. This is what I would call my customized pedicure, and I only call it customized because I had to bust out my e-file. But this is what we're working with today. I do see a lot of buildup and very thick callus on the big toes, but I'm not messing with that. I'm just going to file away what I can and move on. It's really important for your clients to be consistent with their pedicures when they have issues like this, just to avoid any excess buildup and, further issues in the future. But the first thing I do is dry the foot off completely after soaking for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I apply callus remover or callus eliminator, and then wrap the foot up in a towel to sit while I work on trimming and cleaning the toenails. My process is very simple. My goal is to always remove dead skin and any buildup that can cause irritation for the client. So I always go in with cuticle softener. And then here I do have this medicated solution for when I file away toenails, just to avoid excess nail dust in the air. And then, of course, I use it on the other toenails lightly to file away any excess skin that is on the toenail. This client in particular had a lot of skin buildup on the toenails, so that's what we're really focusing on today. Once I start to feel the nails getting dry, I go ahead and move on to the callus treatment portion of the pedicure. I make sure that I dry off any excess callus remover to avoid my foot file from slipping and sliding all over the foot. And then I go in with the coarse side of this file. This is not a cheese grater, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, but this is a safe technique to remove callus or dead skin from your client's feet. After soaking this foot for the second time, I'm going back in with the cuticle softener to remove any more dead skin that may have lifted after being in the water. I am using the angled side of this cuticle pusher, and I just feel like this helps avoid pushing the skin back too much, and of course scraping away what I can without irritating the client. Once I have filed away any excess dead skin, I go in and start buffing away to create a smooth surface on the nail plate, and of course push away any extra dead skin that may be left behind. Going back in on the callus treatment, this is the final step of the callus treatment. I'm using the fine side of this foot file to remove more excess dead skin and to smooth out the foot. You can see here as I'm rubbing my hand, dead skin is just falling off. But over time, if this client is consistent with their appointments, they will no longer have this issue. The final step before massage is to go in with a sugar scrub. This is my favorite part of this service. It helps get rid of any skin that's just laying around on the foot from all the filing and the dust. Also, while moisturizing, it helps the client feel relaxed, and they always say that their feet feel cool after I use this product. So it's definitely my favorite product and my favorite step. After rinsing the sugar scrub, I make sure to dry my client's foot completely. This step helps me see any lifted skin that was unable to be filed or scrubbed away. I just gently go in with my nippers and trim, making sure not to pull at the client's skin. Alright, this is the end result. My client is very happy. They always say they feel like they're walking on clouds. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do it now. Again, my name is Rebecca, and I hope to see you soon.